Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mr. Bryce, and I'm with Susquehanna Valley High School. There's my contact information if you have any questions about these lessons. They're foundational standards for algebra. We're going to be examining 7.ee.1 and A2. First one, we can have lots of answers for this, and that's what 7.ee.1 is talking about. Each envelope to the left contains an amount of quadrilaterals and an amount of pentagons. You do not know how many of each are in the envelope. You don't know how many pentagons there are. You don't know how many quadrilaterals there are. Write an expression to determine the total number of sides in each envelope and explain your expression. So I put 4q plus 5p. I explained it. Quadrilaterals have 4 sides. So it's 4q, 4 times the number of sides. And I add on to that, since to find the total you add, 5p, since pentagons have 5 sides. Here's the second question. Each white envelope has the same amount of quadrilaterals and pentagons. Write an expression that represents the total number of sides in all of the white envelopes. What do I see here? That's not white. There's a white one, and there's a white one. How many white ones did I have? I had 2 white envelopes. So, since there are 2 white envelopes, I can write, here was the original equation. Since there are 2 white envelopes, I'm going to take that original equation and I'm going to say there are 2 of those. There are 2 of the original equations, 4q plus 5p. Notice I put them in parentheses because there's 4q, 4 quadrilaterals, 4 times the number of quadrilaterals is that number of sides, plus 5 times the number of pentagons. Remember, a pentagon has 5 sides. So I have 2 of those. That's why they're in parentheses, because there's 2 total. Or I can write 4q plus 5p. That's the first envelope. Add onto it 4q plus 5p. Both are correct. These are multiple representations of the same sentences. One more correct answer is when you combine the like terms of the second answer. I get 4q plus 5p plus 4q plus 5p. What does that look like? QQQ plus PP PPP plus QQ plus PP PPP. And what does that look like total? I count up the Q's, and I get 8 of them. I count up the P's, and I have 10 of them. 3 right answers. If you notice, in this last one, what I did was I took all the piles of Q's and all the piles of P's and combined them. Okay? So here, problems for you to do. Rewrite 4x plus 7 and 2x plus 1 by combining the like terms. Second problem, rewrite 3n plus 4 and 8n minus 2 by combining like terms. And then rewrite 5c plus 4d by combining like terms. Okay, the last one might be rather lengthy, but tell me the answers tomorrow in class. And if you are a teacher, and you want to do additional services, academic intervention service teachers can use 7th grade module 3, lesson 1 and 2 for more problems. Here's a link to that website. See you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to give me the answers. Bye.